What's going on here today at IBEW-NECA Technical Institute is that we're housing a group from Chicago Women in Trades doing a program that they built called Women Build Illinois. So what it is, it's a culmination of CWIT bringing this group of people, this group of women, around to various trades throughout the Cook County area.
So Chicago Women in Trades was founded in 1981 by tradeswomen who just felt like they needed extra support from being in the trades. So we go on different field trips. We've been to the carpentry, Ironworkers 63, Electricians, we're going to the painters. We do have day field trips to the bricklayers, sheet metal, pipefitters.
So within our Women Build Illinois class, we take 4 of them in the 10 weeks or 11 weeks, depending on how long it is. We take 4 of them that are week-long, and then we also do smaller hands-on day trips.
They have to be at least 18 years and older. Must have a high school diploma or GED transcript for them to be in this program.
Electric seems like something that'd be super complicated, and I'm sure it is. But I think just from what we've done here, it's crazy how much it starts to make sense.
When I came in, I didn't know much about any of the trades, but I figured I wanted to be an iron worker. And when I went to Local 63, I loved it there, and I loved the carpenters as well, but it feels different here. It feels like I fit here. So I plan on being here.
It really gives people a good grasp, not only of the industry that they might be getting into, but it also gives them a good idea of the culture of the union as they are in 2022.
In their 4 days that these women are here, what we want to do is try to give them as much of as a realistic experience of what it's like to be an apprentice. We begin them off every morning with PT or material handling, just like we do with all of our apprentices every day that they're in school. And then we move through various classrooms. We give them a nice taste of about 5 or 6 different classes that we teach here.
I feel so prepared compared to how I came in, feeling a little nervous. I feel like awesome. I feel like when I come in, I'm ready for whatever apprenticeship that I go in.